Hi everyone, this is 3.7 modeling from a graph or table, day 2. So today we're going to do a quick review of slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. The reason why it's called slope-intercept form is because m, in this form, is giving us the slope, and b gives us the y-intercept, hence y-intercept form. So in example 1, we need to write a linear equation shown in the graph on the right. So what we need first is we need the slope. So step 1 is to find the slope. And to find a slope, we need to make a table. In a graph, as we did in class, we first need to find 2 points. So this one I see really clearly, which is -3, 3. And this point here, super clear, is 0, 1. So I'm going to make a table to figure out what my slope is. -3, 3, and 0, 1. The change in y from 3 to 1, it's going down, so it's negative, and it's going down by 2. I'm on -2. And then the change in x, -3 to 0, it's going up, and it's going up by 3. So our slope is the change in y over the change in x, which is equal to -2 divided by +3, which is -2/3. Great, we have our m. This is our slope. Secondly, we need to find our y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So here, in my graph, here's our y-axis. Okay, this vertical axis, and this graph crosses it here at 0, 1. So our y-intercept, remember, we only write the y value, is 1. Or in this case, we call the y-intercept b. So b equals 1. So once we have that, we know our equation. Our equation is going to be y equals, in the form y equals mx plus b. In this particular one, it's y equals our m, which is -2/3, x plus our b, which is 1. This is the equation of this line on the graph. For example 2, we're doing the same thing. We need to first find the slope between the 2 points. And whenever we're given 2 points, to find the slope, we make a table. Same thing. X, Y, 5, -7, and then we have 0, 6. So our change in y from -7 to 6, I know it's going up. In this case, it's going up by 13. From 5 to 0, it's going down, negative, by 5, -5. So my change in y over the change in x is +13 divided by -5, which is 13 over -5. This is our slope. It's our m. Second, we need to find our y-intercept. Remember, we're writing our equation in slope-intercept form, so we need our slope, we need our y-intercept. The y-intercept, in this case, if I were to plot this on a graph, we'll see that our y-intercept is this point here. It's always the point that has 0 in the x's, and then some y value here. So in this case, our y-intercept is this coordinate, 0, 6, and it's only the y value that we care about, so it's b equals 6. The reason why we use b is because y equals mx plus b. Our b represents the y-intercept. So if we're writing this in the form y equals mx plus b, our equation is y equals, our slope m is -13 over 5. Make sure to write the x, plus our y-intercept b, which is 6. This is the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. If you have any questions, make sure to write them down below and ask them in class. See you guys later.